guys, I am back and welcome back to our channel. I really hope that you guys are doing good and being safe. So today I'm going to talk about 5 benefits of having a PAN card. I know you guys are already aware of it, but I am here to reaffirm that. So let's get started. So PAN is basically a permanent account number. It is not only important when it comes to the income tax authority tracking our transactional bank processes, but it is also mandatory for our day-to-day transaction bank processes, or it is just one of the most important identity proofs out there. Let's talk about the 5 benefits of having a PAN card. Apart from the fact that it helps in ITR filings, tax deductions and all of that stuff, let's talk about our real day-to-day stuff which PAN can help us in. So the first one is, obviously it serves as one of the most strongest identity proofs out there, along with your Aadhaar card. A PAN card is one of the documents that is accepted in all of the public and private institutions, be it in your jobs or somewhere you want to apply for a loan, bank account, etc. PAN card is one of the most strongest identity proofs you can give out there. The most important benefit is for the tax deductions. Again, if you don't have a PAN card, the TDS would be deducted from your account for 30% rather than the most common 10%. So just get your PAN card so that you save yourself from getting a lot of TDS deducted. To have a PAN card if you want to start your own business or you want to have your own company, which comes to the benefit number 3. It is so important to have your PAN card, because if you want to open your company, register your company, you need to have it so that you can get a number which is only provided if the entity has a PAN card. Payments of the bills in hotels and restaurants, okay, don't get shocked, it is only for the payments which are above 50,000 rupees. So in case your bill is more than rupees 50,000 in a hotel or a restaurant, you need to have your PAN card given there for your proof. So the 5th most important benefit of having a PAN card is it makes your foreign travel easier and faster. All the processes and everything will be done faster if you have a PAN card, because if you are making a cash payment of more than 50,000 rupees, which excludes your forex purchase, then PAN card is needed for the foreign travel. As you can see, these are the top 5 benefits of having a PAN card, apart from the taxation and ITR and all of that stuff. And I know you might be knowing all of this, but again, I was here to reaffirm it for you. So just go out there, get your PAN card. What are you waiting for? You can easily apply for it online. It will be delivered at your doorstep, and the process is very easy, and it is not at all conventional and tiresome and long, and it won't require to deposit all your life savings into it. It would be just so easy. So just don't waste your time. Get your PAN card as soon as possible and enjoy the benefits. Till then, take care. Bye bye. And while we are at it, please do check out www.muneemji.in, when we offer amazing financial and legal services for really nominal prices. So what are you waiting for? Check out at Muneemji. Bye.